The OtterPro M30 is a compact DTF printer for home use and small business printing of t-shirts, bags, and other textiles. Equipped with an original Epson printhead, this model ensures greater stability and makes maintenance easier, even for beginners with less experience in DTF printing. With individual handles for each pinch roller, it helps you fully immerse yourself and enjoy every step of the printing process. With the detachable film trimmer, you can easily cut the film, making the following drying process more convenient. The heating platform accelerates DTF ink drying speed on the film to guarantee optimal image quality before applying powder. Compatible with film sizes of A3 and A4, allowing more possibilities in your business. The suction platform delivers precise color printing with no deviations, ensuring a flat and seamless film output. Pair with OtterPro Ultra DTF ink. It ensures a precipitation-free printhead and helps you spend less time on printer maintenance. It lets users temporarily stop the ink flow for maintenance, cleaning, or ink changes to avoid spills. The adjustable damper allows users to control the tension and smoothness of the film feed, ensuring consistent printing. Upgraded USB cable ensures a data transfer rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, transferring large files and data quicker and more efficient. Press the stop button if there's an emergency while printing. The mute guide rail helps to enhance operational stability with minimal noise. The detachable lid makes maintenance easier and also has space for storing screws and other items while you work. It includes a spare parts kit with tools and extra components for easy replacements and maintenance. Model M30 is compatible with OtterPro Common Rip software, an upgraded version, effortlessly achieving installation with a click. With a multi-language system automatic layout, you can efficiently print your design with Rip software. OtterPro offers everything you need for DTF printing, including DTF printer, oven dryer, heat press machine, and a wide range of film, powder, and more. We've established local service stations across the US, Mexico, Panama, and Europe, offering comprehensive services from purchasing and installation to after-sales support, training, maintenance, and repairs.